Hello friends, it's Rex here from Fengji B2B. Today I'm going to show you guys a game named Hoa好月圆in Chinese. And it's able to be switched in English from the background. This is a custom-made program for a company named Zhongxiang in China mainland. It's a bird hunting game with two lottery prizes. The first one is accumulating, the second one is have tap with automatic lock and automatically shoot. And the highest ratio 600. The lowest is 2. It's not for sale, but if you guys are, if you guys admire this edition, you can custom make same from us. You can visit www.fenggib2b.com to know more about us.